Hi guys, I'm Roxana.
And I am Callum.
And for the last year and a half we've been converting this old ambulance into a perfect little home on wheels.
On this channel you can join us on our little adventures
as we explore Scotland and this island that we call home.
An island on the rugged west coast of Scotland, famous for dramatic landscapes, wildlife and most importantly, whiskey. So here's to all our adventures. Slán de bha.
I've always wanted to explore the Bholsa Caves. Callum has been coming to Islay since birth and this is definitely one of his favourite places on Islay.
Yeah, the Bholsa Caves is a place like no other, with dramatic sea arches and mile after mile of caves to explore.
As it was December, we left the house around 9 o'clock so we could make the most of the short supply of daylight.
We're going to be heading up there today, about 6 miles over the shittiest terrain on the island, but it's going to be worth it for when we get there. You'll see it's amazing.
Absolutely. So yeah, we have quite a trek ahead of us, so we'll show you how it's going to look like.
Yeah, it's going to start like that. This wouldn't fill you with much confidence. Rocks, but I am knackered.
Yeah, it's...
But look at that!
So
Woohoo! You won't be able to see this on the camera, but there is deer up there.
see cute white bums going up the hill. Looks like there is an actual path to the caves, which makes us very, very happy. Yeah, you can see the Bholsa Caves over there, so yeah, we're gonna head down there and explore some caves.
Weirdo. Ready for this, Rox?
Oh.
You go first. You're gonna enjoy this bit.
What the
Look at that.
Wow! What the actual fuck?
Ready for some caving rocks?
Yes.
So
Let's do this.
we're planning to go through this. Let's see how deep we can go.
How much of a shade bag?
I know, both shite bags.
Bye, Callum.
Bye bye.
Bye. Doesn't look like you can go through.
Old bottle.
Weirdo. We continued walking along the coastline until we pretty much ran out of beach. We had to climb some steep cliffs, and by the time we reached the top, we thought it was sensible to go back to the car. Overall, we walked 18 kilometers and still had another 6 to go.
So, pretty much made it. Our camera's about to die. We're running out of charge as well. We're a couple of miles still from the car, but thought it'd be a nice way to finish off the video by looking at that. So if anyone's wondering why this video was not posted on time, it's because we came down here, beautiful spot, thinking it'd be great to shoot a van tour for next week's video, and now we're stuck. And we've been stuck here since last night.
It's a nice spot.
Hours and hours of trying to get out, but it's tractor time.
And bags of stones.
It's going to be the drag of shame. Jesus.
Shame. Shame.